10th Standard Geography, Unit 9, India, Transport and Communication. Dear students, you have already observed the video of social science textbook questions with the answers. If you want to see them again, click on the I button here. This video consists of important extra questions other than textbook questions. Let's begin. Answer the following questions. First one, explain the importance of transport in India. Answer is, transport plays a very important role in the development of all factors of human activities, namely the primary sector, the secondary sector, and the tertiary sector. It helps to develop resources, agriculture. It promotes industrial progress, widen the market. It increases internal and external trade. It provides employment. It raises the income and standard of living of the people. It encourages tourism and it helps defense. These are the importance of transport in India. Let's move to second question. Name the important modes of transport in India. The important modes of transport in India are land transport, water transport, airways. Land transport is divided into three parts: roads, railways, pipelines. Water transport is divided into two parts: inland waterways, ocean transport. Airways are divided into two: national and international. These are the important modes of transport in India. Let's put to question number 3. Mention the types of roads on the basis of physical structure. The types of roads on the basis of physical structure are: first one, metal roads, which are constructed with cement, concrete or asphalt. Second one, unmetalled roads, which are common in rural areas. These are the types of roads on the basis of physical structure. Fourth one, mention the types of roads on the basis of construction and maintenance. Golden quadrilateral and super highways, national highways, state highways, district roads, village roads. These are the types of roads on the basis of construction and maintenance. Question number 5. Explain the importance of railway transport in India. Answer is, railways are the important mode of land transport. They are very useful to carry heavy goods and large number of passengers over a long distance. They play a vital role in the development of agriculture, industry and economy of India. They help to expand trade and tourism. These are all about the importance of railway transport in India. Question number 6. Write a note on pipelines. Pipelines are a new mode of land transport. Pipelines are laid under the earth's surface. They are mostly used to transport crude oil from oil field to refineries, natural gas and mineral slurry. These are all about pipelines. Question number 7. Write a note on the ports of India. Answer is, they are meeting points between land and sea routes where ships are docked for loading and unloading. There are many ports in India. They are grouped under major, intermediate and minor ports. Major ports with facilities for large ships have a sheltered harbor and modern facilities for handling cargo. There are 14 major ports in India, of which 6 are along the west coast and 7 along the east coast. Another one is located in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. All these points are related to the ports of India. Question number 8. Mention the ports on the west coast. The ports on the west coast are Kandla, Mumbai, Jawaharlal Nehru Port, Marmugova, New Mangalore, Kochi. These are the ports on the west coast. Let's move to question number 9. Mention the ports on the east coast. The ports on the east coast are Tuticorin, Chennai, Ennore, Visakhapatnam, Paradeep, Haldia, Kolkata, Port Blair. These are the ports on the east coast. Let's move to question number 10. Explain the importance of transport in India. Answer is, air transport is the quickest means of transport. It is very efficient to carry passengers and mail. On the times of emergencies like war, floods, earthquakes, air transport, it is very useful. These are the importance of air transport in India. Question number 11. Name the important international airports of India. The important international airports of India are Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi; Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, Mumbai; Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Kolkata; Anna International Airport, Chennai; Kempegowda International Airport, Bengaluru; Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Hyderabad. Shri Guru Ramdas Ji International Airport, Amritsar; Lokpriya Gopinath Bardoli International Airport, Guwahati; Biju Patnaik International Airport, Bhubaneswar; Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport, Ahmedabad. Eleventh one, Veer Savarkar International Airport, Port Blair; Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar International Airport, Nagpur; Zaruk International Airport, Shillong; Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport, Varanasi. These are the important international airports of India. Question number 12. What is communication? Explain its importance. Answer is conveyance of messages from one person to another or from one place to another is called communication. Its importance are: it helps in quick transmission and dissemination of ideas, information and messages from person to person and place to place. Communication helps in creating awareness among the people about government policies and programs of development. It enables us to know about natural hazards and disasters, weather forecasting, etc. It helps in the progress of trade, industry, agriculture, etc. It provides entertainment, day-to-day information of the world. It helps to maintain unity and integrity of the country. These are all about the importance of communication and its meaning. Question number 13. Explain the importance of radio and television. Answer is: these play a very important role in mass communication. Even in remote places of India, people can listen to radio messages and watch TV. They are very useful because our farmers get up-to-date information about agricultural problems, farm commodity prices, weather forecast, modern methods of cultivation, etc. They provide a variety of programs such as educational and informative news, entertainment, etc. These are all about the importance of radio and television. Question number 14. Explain the uses of satellites and computer network. Answer is: the development of electronic technology and space science has brought about great change in communication. Computer network has provided internet facility, email service, etc. Artificial satellite has started a new era in the history of global telecommunication. Radio and TV networking in India are done through satellite technology. The Geographical Information System or GIS, Global Positioning System or GPS, and remote sensing technology have been developed in India. These are all about the uses of satellites and computer network. Question number 15. Explain the importance of the Geographical Information System or GIS, Global Positioning System or GPS, and remote sensing technology. Answer is: GIS is a computer-based system which can accumulate and internet data on the Earth's surface. GPS indicates the location of a stationary or moving object or person through pointing out the latitude and longitude and height above sea level. And the remote sensing technology collects information regarding the Earth's surface. It gathers information about the distance between two objects without touching the objects. Aerial and satellite photos are taken through remote sensing. These are all about the importance of the Geographical Information System or GIS, Global Positioning System or GPS, and remote sensing technology.